So we'll give a little update on the greenhouse. Show you how it's going so far. Tomatoes are coming along just fine. They're starting to get a little yellow. Some of them are starting to turn. I think so far it's been a success. They can sort of regulate it around 30. The peppers are doing well. They love the heat. We should have enough peppers to make our tomato sauces, and it's nice to have fresh stuff, especially nowadays. Man, it ain't cheap to go get some tomatoes and peppers. It's getting kind of ridiculous. This greenhouse is going to pay for itself this year. Cherry tomatoes are doing good. We're eating them already. Every day there's 4 or 5 there that are ready to go. So Vaughn wanted me to do a little update on how I release heat from the place. So all I did is I took one of the panels, cut it down into a door, small cheap pulley up here, and then I just tie it down here. Just tie it around this. At nighttime it keeps it nice and warm in here. And then during the day when it's hot, I just tip it over. And I mean, it takes seconds. Yeah, it's not automatic, but in the summertime, most of the time during the day when the sun's out, it gets hot in here, and that takes care of it. Keeps it under control. I'll give you a shot of it outside. It's pretty simple, and it works. So all I did is just cut the panel, and I used some Gorilla Tape to fashion the hinge. It might only last a season, but it cost about 20 cents to make the hinge. And so far, all summer, it's been working fine. A little close up of the pulley. You don't need a pulley. You can just grab the cord and pull it too, but I had one laying around, so it's working. Talk to you guys later.